Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71, and let me show you how to activate accidental touch protection on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick display, and then you have to go a bit lower, where you will notice accidental touch protection. So if you would like to protect your phone, your Samsung Galaxy A71, from accidental touches when it's dark, for example in a pocket or in a bag, tap over here. And that's it. You've just activate the less intensity of your screen, of your display, by tapping on accidental touch protection. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily activate this super feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.